Trust is not broken by one big lie. It's broken by small patterns people ignore. Some people smile with you while quietly studying how to use you. And the most dangerous people rarely look dangerous at first. But human behavior always leaves clues if you know where to look. Here are 7 things a person does when they should never be trusted. 1. They lie about small things. People who lie about small things are practicing for bigger ones. If someone bends the truth when it doesn't even matter, imagine when it does. Honesty is a habit, so is dishonesty. And habits reveal character faster than words ever could. Small lies are rarely small. They are rehearsals for future betrayal. 2. They change personality depending on the room. Watch how someone behaves with different people. One personality with you, another with strangers, another with authority. A shifting character reveals a shifting loyalty. Real character stays the same, even when the audience changes. Consistency is the fingerprint of real character. 3. They break promises casually. Anyone can make promises, but trustworthy people treat their words like contracts. When someone repeatedly breaks promises, believe the pattern. Because reliable people protect their reputation through their actions. A broken promise is not a mistake when it becomes a habit. 4. They gossip about everyone. If someone constantly talks about others behind their back, remember one thing. You are simply the next conversation when you leave the room. Respectful people protect reputations. They don't destroy them. People who feed on gossip often survive on betrayal. 5. They avoid accountability. Notice what happens when they make a mistake. Excuses appear instantly. Responsibility disappears just as quickly. Growth only begins when someone is brave enough to admit fault. A person who never admits fault will never correct their behavior. 6. They only care when they need something. Some people remember you only when they need help. Their kindness appears suddenly and disappears just as fast. Attention that exists only during convenience is not loyalty. Real loyalty exists even when there is nothing to gain. True connection is consistent, not conditional. 7. They disrespect boundaries. You say no, they push harder. You set limits, they test them repeatedly. Respect for boundaries is one of the clearest signs of respect for you. People who value you will protect your limits, not challenge them. A person who ignores small boundaries will eventually violate bigger ones. Trust is not built through words, it is built through patterns. Character always reveals itself quietly through repeated behavior. The people you trust shape the peace you live with. In life, the greatest mistake isn't trusting people. It's ignoring the patterns that warned you not to. If this message resonated with you, comment the sign that stood out the most. Like if this insight helped you see people more clearly. And subscribe to Matter of Life, where calm minds learn to see through hidden behavior.